The lonely cat next door. Yeah, why is he always alone?
He keeps to himself, dear, but perhaps we should invite him over sometime. I need to tell you something about Mr. Whiskers. He has lived alone for many years.
I just figured out where they hid the catnip. Meet me there in 5 minutes. Throw Mr. Whiskers his first birthday party ever. There will be cake and presents.
A birthday party? That sounds wonderful. Birthday surprise ever!
Hooray! This is gonna be the best birthday ever. Get the pink ones.
Keep your voice down. We need the chocolate cake mix too. Colors. We make a great team.
It's so sparkly now.
And the batter is perfectly smooth.
Beautiful!
I can't wait. This is gonna be the best party ever.
I can't wait to see their face.
All right, you two, settle down now. I know you're excited, but we need to go over the plan one more time. It's so wonderful to see you all.
Come in from the cold.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, children. I'm so touched.
To you, happy birthday to you. Wish.
Hooray! You did it!
Indeed, the flavor is quite
We
extraordinary.
love it, Mama.
all so much.
We got you a mouse too.
And a photo frame.
Oh, I love it.
Bravest thing they did was simply being kind to each other, right here by the fire.
Thank you.